你好，我是 GoEast 的 Karen 老师。Welcome to this lesson, Sarah.
你好，老师。
你好, Sarah. Sarah, today we will keep practicing the sounds as usual, and we will do a very cute chant. It will be fun. So, should we start now? 可以开始吗?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so Sarah, today we will know more 3 sounds about the Chinese pinyin. Okay, I will show you. Maybe just trying to read it after me. The first one, we pronounce this one, I. Now, Sarah, did you know this one before? Do you know any Chinese, phrase? That means love.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's also I.
Yeah, 我爱你, right? I love you. 我爱你. So that is I. So can we do this one more time? I. 非常好, good job. 第二个, the second, that is A. Yeah, good job. That easy one for you, right? A. 很好, 很容易. Okay, now Sarah, the third one, that is way. Oh, perfect. 很好, way. So Sarah, I will circle. Could you trying to read it and pronounce them yourself?
Okay.
可以吗? Okay. I will pick this one. 这个.
A.
Good job. 很好. What about this? 这个呢? Wait, good job. And what about the first one?
That's A.
Yes?
I.
Yes, I. Okay, one more time. I. Could you do this one more time? I. 很好. Now, Sarah, now we will practice some, the words with this new sound, okay? Combined with other pinyin we know before. So we will do a game. Then please trying to answer and read it very, very fast, okay? As fast as you can, okay? 可以吗? Are you ready? 你准备好了吗?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go.
By 2.
很好, 白兔. Now, Sarah, by the way, do you know what is 白兔? 锵锵锵锵. That means the bunny, rabbit in Mandarin. 白兔. Actually, 白 is the color white. Okay, so 白兔.
Oh, okay. By 2.
很可爱, right? It's very cute, adorable, 可爱. So 白兔. One more, please.
By 2.
很好. And Sarah, the second. 第二个.
开门.
Oh, perfect. 开门 that means please open the door. 开门. 开门. 很好, 很好. Okay, now one more.
回
Yeah, the second one. 回家.
回家.
Sarah, we know 家 before, right? What is 家? 家是什么?
House.
Yeah, house or our home, right? So 回家 just back home, go home. 回家.
回家.
很好, 很好. Now one more. 再一个.
妹妹.
很好. 妹妹. 妹妹 that means your little sister, your younger sister. 妹妹.
妹妹.
Sarah, 你有妹妹吗? 你有妹妹吗? Do you have 妹妹?
I don't.
好，那你可以说我没有妹妹。
我没有妹妹。
Yeah, that means I do not. 我没有妹妹。OK，那 Sarah, one more.
我为他
很好，尾巴，尾巴。That means the tail, 尾巴。
尾巴。
So Sarah, for now, I think you know all about these sounds, these new words, okay? So we will do the game, I just show you and I didn't explain anything, okay? Then you just read it, okay, as fast as you can. Okay, let's get started. 开始。
妹妹，回家。
很好。
开门。
Good job.
白兔。
非常好，白兔。Okay, Sarah, you really did great. Now, Sarah, after we know 白兔, right? 白兔, the bunny. So today the chant actually is about the 白兔. 白兔 about the bunny, 兔子，白兔。Okay, gonna show you. Now, Sarah, 可以看到吗？ Here are two, right? 两只兔子。Okay, now Sarah, would you like try to read after me? And I will explain the chant, okay, for you. So the first one, the title, 小白兔。
小白兔。
Sarah, you already know what is 白兔, but what about 小? Can you guess? What about 小? What that means 小? 小.
I'm not sure.
小 just means the little one, 小 or small, 小. So the little bunny, 小白兔.
小白兔。
Say 小白兔。
小白兔。
穿皮袄。
穿皮袄。
穿 just means to wear, okay? Wear our clothes, outfit. 皮袄 just the leather coats, you know, like the bunny, right? It wear the leather coat, yeah, 穿皮袄, okay? 那耳朵长。
耳朵长。
耳朵 just means the ear, right? Long ears. 长 just means long. So 耳朵长。
耳朵长。
尾巴短。
尾巴短。
Sarah, just now we already know 尾巴. What is 尾巴? 尾巴.
tail.
Yeah, tail, right? And 短 just means short. Okay, 尾巴短。
尾巴短。
And the next one, 三瓣嘴。
拌嘴。
三瓣嘴 just means, you know, the three petal mouths like the bunny, right? 一二三 right? So 三瓣嘴。
拌嘴。
胡子翘。
胡子翘。
just means the beard, right? 胡子。that is 胡子翘。
胡子翘。
Okay, 移动总在笑。
移动总在笑。
just means smile, laugh, right? 笑. So when the bunny, you know, jump or hop, they are just laughing there. 笑，总在笑。
总在笑。
很好。Now, Sarah, you know the chant, right? The meaning about this chant. So could you write to read it yourself? 试一试 you can do that. 加油 Sarah.
Okay, can try.
Okay, 加油。
小白兔。小白兔。穿皮袄。耳朵 长，尾巴短，三瓣嘴，胡子长，一动，动在笑。
超好 ，Sarah, high five! You really did great, yeah, good job. 很好，很好。那 Sarah, can we do this one more time for the last time? Let's read together, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3，开始。小白兔
小白兔
穿皮袄，
穿皮袄，
耳朵长
耳朵长，
耳朵长，尾巴短，
尾巴短，
三瓣嘴，
三瓣嘴，
子翘，
胡子翘，
一动总在笑。
一动总在笑。
非常好，很好 ，Sarah. Okay, now Sarah, because you did very well, very great. So let's see how's your pet Millie? How's Millie doing? Okay.
Yay.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, Sarah, you see? Well, I think Millie just has been doing very well. So nothing special has been going on, you see, right? She just playing with the toy you give to her. And the bowl is full of the milk, and the I think everything is going on, right?
That's okay. I'm glad that she has been doing well, right? That's good.
Yes, and maybe next time, let's see what we can do for her. Maybe next time she will again ask her for something else, right? So for now, she's doing great, and we will end the lesson today, Sarah. So see you next time. 再见, Sarah.
Okay, 再见。
好，再见。